Welcome to our video on the benefits of a plant-based diet. Today, we'll explore how this lifestyle can positively impact your health, the environment, and your overall well-being. A plant-based diet focuses on foods derived from plants, including fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, oils, whole grains, legumes, and beans. Though often seen as restrictive, this diet offers an impressive variety of foods and flavors that not only satisfy but nourish. Our purpose is to educate and inform you about the advantages that come with adopting this lifestyle. From bolstering your health and enhancing nutrient intake to playing a role in conserving our planet, the benefits are numerous and compelling. So, what can you expect in this series? We'll break down the top 10 benefits of a plant-based diet, counting down from 10 to 1, with each segment detailing a key advantage. We'll also address common misconceptions and provide practical tips for transitioning smoothly. Join us as we highlight each benefit with a mixture of facts, personal stories, and expert insights. You'll learn how simple dietary shifts can lead to profound positive changes. Ready to enhance your life and the world around you? Let's dive in and discover the remarkable benefits of a plant-based diet together. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we dive into the world of improved digestion. Adopting a plant-based diet is one of the best ways to bolster your digestive health. This diet is packed with high fiber content, which acts as a champion for your gut, keeping it healthy and robust. Fiber is crucial for promoting regular bowel movements, easing the digestive process, and ultimately reducing the risk of bloating. By incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals, you're giving your digestive system the support it needs to function optimally. Better gut health doesn't just mean less discomfort, it also leads to improved nutrient absorption and can even contribute to a stronger immune system. Enhancing your digestion with these fiber-rich foods is an excellent first step. Stay tuned as we move forward in our countdown. You won't want to miss the powerful impact a plant-based lifestyle can have on your overall health. At number 9 on our list, we have the benefit of weight management. When you adopt a plant-based diet, you naturally consume foods that are lower in calories compared to a typical diet. This makes weight management a whole lot easier without feeling deprived. By focusing on plant-based options, you can experience healthy weight loss that is both effective and sustainable. Unlike fad diets, a plant-based approach provides lasting results by making wholesome foods the star of your plate. Moreover, plant-based foods offer sustained energy levels throughout the day, helping you stay active and energized. This means no more energy crashes or unhealthy cravings, just balanced and steady vitality. As we move forward, you'll see that the advantages of a plant-based diet go beyond just weight management. Stay tuned for even more incredible benefits that await. Coming in at number 8, a plant-based diet is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that enhance your overall nutrient intake. Let's talk about why this is important. First, these nutrients are crucial for maintaining strong bones, a healthy immune system, and robust energy levels. When you consume a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, you naturally absorb these valuable vitamins and minerals more efficiently. This leads to better nutrient absorption and utilization, which directly translates to improved health and vitality. Imagine the difference it makes when your body receives everything it needs to function at its best. And it's not just about physical health. An optimal nutrient intake can also contribute to better mental clarity and mood. So, adopting a plant-rich diet means you're not just eating to fill your stomach, but to fuel your entire well-being. As we move forward, you'll see how this diet addresses even more aspects of a healthy lifestyle. At number 7, we delve into one of the most impactful benefits of adopting a plant-based diet, the reduced risk of chronic diseases. Research shows that a plant-based diet can significantly lower the risk of heart disease. Heart-healthy choices like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains are packed with nutrients that support cardiovascular health. Additionally, embracing a plant-based lifestyle can also reduce the risk of various cancers. Antioxidant-rich foods, abundant in this diet, play a pivotal role in protecting cells from damage. Furthermore, for those managing diabetes, a plant-based diet stands out as an effective approach. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and enhancing insulin sensitivity, it helps in maintaining better control over diabetes. Not only does this diet support disease prevention, but it also fosters a more vibrant and resilient health outcome. As we continue to uncover more benefits, stay tuned to learn how making these dietary changes can drastically improve your overall wellness. Number 6 on our list is the positive impact on the environment. A plant-based diet reduces your carbon footprint, conserves water, and helps prevent deforestation. The shift to plant-based eating plays a crucial role in mitigating climate change by cutting emissions from livestock production. Furthermore, it conserves precious water resources. Did you know producing plant-based foods typically requires significantly less water than animal-based products? And let's not forget about deforestation. By reducing the demand for livestock, we can protect our forests, which are vital for maintaining biodiversity and fighting global warming. As more people adopt this lifestyle, the cumulative benefits for our planet become immense. As we delve deeper, you'll discover even more ways a plant-based diet contributes to a sustainable future. Join us in making a difference, one meal at a time. At number 5, we delve into the ethical reasons compelling many to choose a plant-based diet. When you consider animal welfare, it becomes clear how much a plant-based lifestyle can reduce suffering. Many people are moved by the direct impact their food choices have on innocent lives. Choosing plants over animals aligns with a compassionate and ethical approach to eating. It's not just about the health benefits. It's about making a difference and standing up for those without a voice. As we realize the power of our choices, ethical eating transforms from a personal decision into a statement of empathy and care. As we move forward, you'll see how this compassionate choice ties into broader lifestyle benefits. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, exploring how a plant-based diet can enhance energy levels and more. Number 4 on our list is increased energy levels. One of the remarkable benefits of adopting a plant-based diet is the sustained energy it provides. Unlike the energy spikes and crashes from processed foods and sugary snacks, plant-based meals offer a consistent fuel source throughout the day. This translates into better physical performance, whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just tackling daily tasks with ease. But it's not just the body that benefits, your mind does too. With improved mental clarity and focus, a plant-based diet helps you stay sharp and alert, enhancing productivity and overall well-being. As we move forward, you'll see how this lifestyle choice contributes to even more surprising and impactful benefits. Stay tuned for what's next. Coming in at number 3, the impact of a plant-based diet on your skin health is profound. Many people notice a significant improvement in their complexion, boasting clearer skin and reduced acne. The natural nutrients in fruits and vegetables help to promote a healthy and radiant glow. By minimizing the intake of processed foods and incorporating more plant-based meals, the antioxidants in these foods work to detoxify your body and rejuvenate your skin. Imagine waking up each day with a clearer, more vibrant appearance. It's a transformation that's worth the dietary shift. But we're not stopping there. As we continue our countdown, we'll uncover even more compelling reasons to embrace a plant-based diet. Stay tuned for benefit 2, where we'll explore how this lifestyle can enhance your mental well-being. At number 2 in our countdown, we focus on the profound impact a plant-based diet can have on your mental well-being. First and foremost, adopting this lifestyle is known to significantly reduce stress levels. The natural compounds found in plants work synergistically to calm your nerves and promote a sense of tranquility. Beyond stress reduction, a plant-based diet can also elevate your mood. Rich in nutrients like magnesium and antioxidants, fruits and vegetables help regulate your brain's neurotransmitters, fostering feelings of happiness and mental clarity. Finally, better overall mental health is a key advantage. By nourishing your body with wholesome plant-based nutrients, you provide the essential building blocks your brain needs to function at its best. These dietary changes can decrease symptoms of anxiety and depression, leading to a more balanced and resilient mind. As we count down to our number 1 benefit, you'll discover even more reasons to consider this lifestyle. And finally, at number 1, we have one of the most compelling benefits of a plant-based diet: longevity, and quality of life. Embracing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes can lead to a longer, healthier life. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can significantly contribute to increased lifespans by reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Not only does it add years to your life, but it also enhances the quality of those years, promoting healthy aging and vitality well into your senior years. Imagine being able to enjoy more time with family and friends, taking part in activities you love, and maintaining a robust, energetic lifestyle. A plant-based diet is more than a meal plan. It's an investment in a future filled with wellness and joy. Now, let's address some common misconceptions about transitioning to a plant-based diet. Many people worry that they'll suffer from protein deficiency, but plant-based diets can be rich in proteins from sources like beans, lentils, and tofu. Another myth is the lack of variety. However, plant-based diets offer a diverse range of foods, from fruits and vegetables to grains and nuts, making every meal unique and enjoyable. Lastly, there's a belief that eating plant-based is expensive. However, staples like beans, rice, and seasonal produce are often budget-friendly and widely available. By debunking these misconceptions, we can see that a plant-based diet is not only nutritious, but also diverse and affordable. As we move forward, you'll see practical tips to help you transition seamlessly to a plant-based lifestyle. If you're considering transitioning to a plant-based diet, here are some practical tips to help you get started. First, start gradually. You don't need to make a complete change overnight. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine. This can make the transition smoother and more enjoyable. Next, find plant-based alternatives that you enjoy. There are countless options available today, from plant-based milks and cheeses to meat substitutes and delicious recipes. Experiment with different products and recipes to discover what you like best. Lastly, seek support. Transitioning to a plant-based diet can be much easier when you have a support system. Online communities, talk to friends or family members who have made the switch, and don't hesitate to ask for advice or share your experiences. As we continue, we'll hear some inspiring success stories from individuals who have experienced the incredible benefits of a plant-based diet. Let's hear some inspiring success stories from individuals who have experienced the benefits of a plant-based diet. Meet Jane, who struggled with chronic health issues for years until she made the switch. She lost over 50 pounds, her energy levels soared, and her skin cleared up. Jane says she feels like a brand new person. Then there's Mike, an athlete who wanted to improve his performance. Since adopting a plant-based diet, he's shattered personal records and reduced recovery time. Mike attributes his newfound stamina and mental clarity to plant-based nutrition. And let's not forget Lisa, who found herself constantly battling bouts of depression. Since changing her diet, she's noticed a remarkable improvement in her mood and mental health. Lisa shares that she feels more balanced and happier in her day-to-day life. These testimonials are just a glimpse into the transformative power of a plant-based lifestyle. It can lead to significant health improvements, boosted physical performance, and enhanced mental well-being. So why not give it a try? In our final segment, we'll wrap up with a reminder of the key benefits and how you can start your own plant-based journey. In conclusion, a plant-based diet offers numerous benefits for your health, the environment, and your overall well-being. From improving digestion and managing weight to enhancing nutrient intake and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, the advantages are clear. But it doesn't stop there. Eating plant-based also supports environmental sustainability and ethical living, while boosting your energy levels, improving your skin health, and enhancing your mental well-being. By adopting a plant-based diet, you're investing in a longer, healthier life and a better quality of life overall. So why not take the plunge? Give a plant-based diet a try and experience these life-changing benefits for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content and share this video with your friends and family. Together, let's make a positive change for ourselves and our planet. Thank you for watching.